guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, it's Nadine and this is
Vanessa.
Vanessa did this Halloween makeup look on me today. She's my guest makeup artist. You'll see her in another video of mine. We did a collaboration.
So we did this look inspired by Kimberley Margarita. The look is called Stapled. And yes, we tried to recreate it today.
If you want to see how we achieved this look, please keep on watching.
For the blood, I'm using the Kryolan cream circle in the color Burnt Skin. It looks like this. I'm using the red one. I'm just going to start drawing that down.
We're drawing a red line from the center of the forehead to the chin across the face.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I'm starting with a light red one because the darker ones we will put it on later. So it's always easy to start with the lightest color and then you can add a darker red and a darker or a black or something. But you have to start with the lightest color. I'm just going to start here.
We're going to draw a horizontal line. We're just tracing some lines across my face. I'm gonna show you somewhere in the screen the inspiration that we have for this look.
Now we're going to put, I just chose another liquid lipstick. It's the same she got on her lips, the LA Cosmetics, and the color Secret, just for darker blood. And now we're going in again.
We're just retracing the lines that we did.
With the SFX stuff, you don't have to do everything precisely because you always put blood on it later on, and it shouldn't look too clean, everything, because a real scar and everything doesn't look clean and isn't that precise, so it doesn't really matter.
So we're just gonna do this same thing for the rest of the lines and we'll be back.
I mixed the aqua colors from Kryolan, black and white, to get a grayish tone. And now we are going to put this on the scar. We already drew on that staples, so we're nearly done doing that, and we mix the colors, as I said before, to get those metallic grayish ones.
So we're gonna continue this all over the neck, off camera, and we will be right back.
So now we're going in with black, the aqua color black from Kryolan, and I'm going to put that in the scar, just as we saw that on the picture, to make it look more real and real blood. And I'm also going in with the black color for the staples to add a bit of shadow, and I'm also going in with white afterwards, just to create dimension and everything.
So what we're doing is just putting the darker shade to give this the staple pin's dimension to make it look realistic. You can see that's what we're doing. And we're just gonna do that for all of the lines and we will be right back.
We're going in with white to create dimension again. So I'm just putting it in the middle of the stick pins and sometimes around the scarring. So just to make it look more natural. So around here, something like that.
So now we're gonna use fake blood.
I'm using the Kryolan dark blood.
How much is it for this pack?
I think about 10, 14 euros.
Okay.
It's not that expensive for that big bottle because
and there's a lot of it.
it's a lot because you don't need, you can't use all of it. It's so much. You don't need that.
Okay.
So we just take a brush, doesn't matter which one, just a brush to put the sprinkles on her face. So just close your eyes, please, so don't put it in your eyes or something. And it makes a good effect. It looks like real blood stains all over the face.
Ooh, nice!
It looks very...
It completes the look really.
Yes.
So this is the final touch.
Can you see it on camera?
Oh, maybe I should
You
go
have
closer.
to go closer, I think. Can you see the sprinkles and everything? Yeah. So it looks really real.
Really real.